Hello children, welcome to today's computer class. Today we are going to start the sixth chapter, Windows Accessories. Today's subtopic is calculator, on-screen keyboard and magnifier. Children, you are aware of Windows accessories because you have already used few of them like the MS Paint. Windows operating system has some handy applications to do some specific tasks quickly. They are known as Windows accessories. Calculator, notepad, paint, wordpad, on-screen keyboard, magnifier, games are some of the most frequently used accessories. How to start the accessories? First, you have to click the Start, then All Programs, and then click Accessories. Under Accessories, you will get the list of all the Windows accessories. Here, you can see different accessories listed like the calculator, notepad, paint, sound recorder. What is the calculator? If you need to perform a quick calculation, use the calculator program included with the Windows accessories. Under the accessories menu, you click the calculator. You will get a screen on which you can enter the data or the numbers which you want to calculate. Look here, the screen of the computer calculator. Here you can input the numbers and the operations and the result will be shown on the screen. Another important Windows accessories is the on-screen keyboard. Sometimes your computer keyboard is not working. Then what will you do? How will you type your data? For this, you have the on-screen keyboard. On-screen keyboard displays a virtual keyboard on the screen for users to enter the input. It can be operated with the help of a mouse. Under the Accessories menu, you will see Ease of Access. When you click it, you will get the on-screen keyboard. The on-screen keyboard will appear on the screen and you can input your data with the help of the mouse. Another important Windows accessories is the screen magnifier. The magnifier enlarges different parts of the screen. This is especially useful for viewing objects that are difficult to see and also to see the whole screen more easily. You can also change the color, theme of magnification window for easier visibility. The magnifier also comes under the Ease of Access tab. You can set the percentage of magnification by clicking the plus or minus sign icons given here. So children, today you have learnt about few Windows accessories. If you need to perform a quick calculation, use the calculator program included with the Windows. On-screen keyboard displays a virtual keyboard on the screen for users to enter the input. It can be operated with the help of the mouse. Magnifier enlarges different parts of a screen. So children, today's assignment is fill in the blanks. Question number 1. If you need to perform a quick calculation, use the dash program included with the Windows accessories. Number 2. and dash displays a virtual keyboard on the screen for users to enter the input. It can be operated with the help of a dash. Question number 3. Dash enlarges different parts of a screen. Children, write down this assignment in your notebook and learn the answers with their spellings. That's all in today's class. Thank you.